Hello friends, welcome to Rishika's USA Diaries. So today we are going to review this Cranes 2-in-1 warm mist humidifier and stream inhaler. This is available on Amazon for $45 and it is covered under FSA and HSA. So if you have FSA or HSA account, you can use your money to buy this product. So let's open and see what things are included in the box. So in the box, when we open, we have the instruction how to use the product. So we will see this later. First, let's see what things are included in the box. Okay, so the product packaging is very good. Uh, as you can see, the product is well packed. With the product, we have the instruction guide, like how to use the product. And with this product we get 1 year of subscription to Livings. Okay. So inside the box we have these three main parts, so we'll see each part. So this one is the inhaler mask, this one is the vent cover, so we can put the vapor pads here as well, and this is the lever. We also got couple of vapor pads. So this is the water tank. So this is the medical cap. If you want to put some oil or vapor pads, we can put here. So below the water tank we have the mist chamber, and below this we have the heating element. So this will actually heat the water. So let's add the water and see how it works. So we will first fill the water tank. So this is the cap of the water tank. So let's start to remove this. So this is 0.5 gallon water tank. So just add the normal water. Do not add salted water or any medicine or essential oil in the water. If you want to add essential oil or medicine, there is a medical cap here, so we can add medicine or vapor pads here. So here we have the power button, so turn on that. You'll see the indicator there as well when it turn on. So we have two levels, low and high. So start with low first. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes to get the vapors. So it is on for 1 minute and you can see the vapors are starting to come out. It is still on the medium low level. So we saw how the humidifier works. Now let's see how the inhaler works. So for inhaler we need to remove this tank. And we need to put this lid here. We can place the vapor pad here, and this is the inhaler. This is the lever to control the flow of the vapor. So start with the so start with the low level because the vapor will be very hot. So adjust according to your need. So in the bottom below the power button, this is the sign for the inhaler. So when we turn on this one, the inhaler light is on, which means the inhaler is working. So wait for a couple of minutes. So you can see the vapors are coming out. So you can place your head here and you can take the vapors. So with the current virus situation, it's really good to have this kind of inhaler at home. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.